Okay. Let's join a game. Yeah. Where are
Hi,
you?
Fly Girl.
Hi, y'all.
How have you been doing?
Good.
Okay, is this your first video on YouTube?
Yeah, it's my first video on YouTube.
Okay, I'm so happy to be on your channel.
Thanks.
You've been on my channel before as well.
Yeah, I've been on your channel too.
If maybe Fly Girl, you might be able to show your viewers later. Okay.
Okay,
So
let's
go ahead.
join this. Let's join this one.
I can't.
You can't get in?
I'm glitching, but I'm able to load in with you.
Oh no, we left. We gotta. Are you in?
Yes, I'm in with you, so.
Phew. Okay, we're inside together. Now, where are you? I don't know where to find you.
I'm here, Fly Girl.
Oh, there you are. It's C10.
Hello, everyone. This is your captain speaking. Okay.
10C. Oh, I found my seat. C10. Did you find your seat, Yop?
Yes, I'm already in it. I'm pretty much at the front.
Oh, you're in the front. Have you got
And I don't think this is happening with Fly Girl, but I'm glitching. I can only see the sky, and I'm able to sit and see all the characters. So I am able to do it, but I'm glitching, so it's fine. It's as long as Fly Girl can record.
Yep. All right. Let's. Ooh, I have a buddy beside me. What's the username? Mia. The username is Mia. Okay.
It's actually been a long time since I've played this.
Me too. Now please find your seat as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. The captain says that we better or we will die. Thank you for your cooperation. Cooperation. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Hope don't be allergic to it. Don't want to be allergic to it.
Hello, everyone. We are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy. I hope I'm not the one who. I ate it, but I don't want it to be me.
Yep.
Yeah, you're gonna see. Yeah, Fly Girl. I know Fly Girl knows this part already.
No, I don't want to be it. I don't want it.
No, okay, good.
Phew.
It's not either of us.
Phew. I'm not feeling very well. Well,
Fly Girl, I found your bag.
what?
Oh no, this is gonna get.
I got a bag?
People, this is dangerous.
Where is my bag? No.
No, I found my bag. No, somebody found my bag. Oh. I found it.
It was Girl Mission. Girl Mission. Phew, that was a close one. Great.
Yeah, but that was really serious. I'm glad I found
Good
that
afternoon
person.
to all the passengers. I inform you we have reached a stable altitude. We should be a good time to sit back and nap and enjoy the ride. All right, let's.
It'd actually be cool if somebody sat in the first class.
Okay. Good night, passenger. Should I seat? Can I see? Can I see? Can I see?
Fly Girl, I will take a screenshot of how I'm glitching in case you want to post it or not.
Oh, sure. Okay.
I'll send it to you after.
Sure. Oh, no.
It appears that we lost energy. Hang on as we try to
Guys,
fix it.
there's snakes. There are gonna be snakes. Jump on the seats.
I-
God, I don't want to die. What the? What is that?
Who is that? I'm standing with you, Fly Girl. I'm so scared.
You
Okay, I'm glitching, so I don't know where I am. But
survive.
are those
Are those
snakes?
snakes? I know, right? They're snakes. They're gonna be on the ground, so just try not to die. Snakes? Why are they saying that weirdly? Snakes?
This is scaring me.
Oh no. Oh no. Guys, there's an
where is
open
it? I can't
restroom.
see anything, so I'm gonna follow. Where is it, Fly Girl?
Trying to look. I found the open restroom.
Okay, I'm glitching, so I can't see anything.
I went in the open restroom. Go in the open restroom. Are you in the open restroom? Yes, we're in the open restroom.
I see you in it as well.
Phew. Scary.
That was scary.
Oh no, no more swearing. No swearing in the bathroom. Did we make it? That was scary. We should discuss what the end is happening. The end is happening.
Yeah, good idea, Fly Girl. Okay, now we're teleporting back, and I'm getting mad that I'm glitching, but I don't care. I wanna just play through.
Whoa. The power is back up. The power is back up. Power is back up. The creatures on the wing is also gone. Creepy. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news.
I actually forgot what the bad news is.
The power is back up.
Oh, now I remember what it is. The bad news is that we are losing this amount of oxygen. Okay.
Oh no!
Oh. I got it. Did you, Fly Girl? No, Fly Girl, you're gonna... No, get it, Fly Girl. Fly Girl, go.
Ah! No, I died. Okay, we're gonna make a part 2. So, bye.